Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to disable automatic update of all Windows, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, etc. Let's get started. Step number 1, open Control Panel. Step number 2, search Admin. Step number 3, click on Administrative Tools. Step number 4, click on Services. Step number 5, search Window Update. Step number 6, double click on it. Step number 7, select Startup Type Disabled. Click on Apply and then OK. Done, enjoy it. वीडियो देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।